Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio, doing a flip through of the newest digital in my Etsy shop and on Ko-fi. It is, as you can see, St. Patrick's Day Cards Mega Pack. It's 28 pages. The first 19, I believe it is, or 20, are all of the cards in a standard regular size or large size. And then the last, I think, 9 pages are all of the cards in a reduced size, just sort of as bonus pages. So they are all from authentic vintage greeting cards or antique greeting cards that I've just touched up and brightened and changed the color a little bit. Super pretty. I love these so much. Look at that little guy. He's pouting. He looks like he's pouting. So sweet. I have these. I love this fellow's rosy cheeks. Sorry, some of them are going to be sideways because you know me, I like to try and utilize all of the space on a page so I can give you guys as much as I can. I love this little guy singing the book. So sweet. These are really pretty too, aren't they? This one. Yes, they are all lovely. That's super pretty. I just had to throw that one in there. It's kind of funny. Look how pretty that one is. I love the blues. Look at these guys. Very lovely. Page 11. Page 12. Isn't that pretty? 13. 15. These are two of my favorites. 16. So far they're all just the regular sizes, large sizes. We haven't gotten into the smalls yet. 17. So pretty. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so it starts at 19. So these are the same cards, just in a much smaller size. You could use a lot of them for large labels and just little tiny tuck spots and stuff. Or tabs. It's nice to be able to print once and just be done. You have all the sizes you might need for a project. Okay, we're on to page 25. And 28. So that is the St. Patrick's Day Greeting Cards Mega Pack. It can be found in my Ko-fi shop and also on Etsy, in my Etsy shop, and both of those are linked below. Thanks for watching. Bye.